friends, how are you all? Welcome once again to English session of video. Uh, we were we are not lucky enough to have eye contact with us because now school is not opening, so we have to bear videos only. So please pay attention to videos every day and try to learn something from the video. You can repeat the videos if you are missing or if you have not got anything. So today we will start lesson number 37, communicating in everyday situation. This is very important part of our communication. First part we have already discussed, friends. I had sent you the video of first part on 4th of Jan. So today we'll be discussing its second part. Communication is very important skill. You have to learn that. So now if you want to converse with a stranger, who is stranger? Stranger is unknown person. You are not knowing him. जिससे अपन म्हणजे परिचित नहीं रहते हैं उसको स्ट्रेंजर बोलते हैं. तो स्ट्रेंजर से कैसे बात करना है? एक्सक्यूज मी, कुड यू टेल मी द टाइम? या फिर आई एम सॉरी टू ट्रबल यू बट कैन यू गिव मी change for a 100 rupee note? These are called manners also. कुछ भी पूछना है उनको, स्ट्रेंजर हो या कोई भी हो, परिचित को भी पूछना है अगर, तो यू कैन से एक्सक्यूज मी, यू हैव टू यूज, एंड sorry to trouble you, like that. If you want to take anything from him or if you want anything from favor from him, so you should tell sorry to trouble you. Okay, now how to start a telephonic conversation. You have to say who you are. First you have to introduce yourself. Hello, this is Ramakrishnan. It is Ramakrishnan. Ramakrishna here. Ramakrishna speaking. Like that. Any word you can use out of the 4 options. Please pay attention. It is on page number 128. Children, open your books. Hello, this is Ramakrishnan. It is Ramakrishna. Ramakrishna here. Ramakrishna speaking. This is for Ramakrishna. You can use your name. So you have to introduce like that. First, when the bell rings, saying who you are calling. Can I speak to whatever it is, XYZ? Here they have given Shaila. Can I speak to Shaila? Is Shaila there, please? Is Shaila speaking? ऐसे भी पूछ सकते. Is Shaila speaking? Can I speak to Shaila, please? Yeah, could you do me favor by allowing me to speak with Shaila? Asking who the other person is. Is that Mr. Ali Khan? Who is speaking? Who am I speaking to? ऐसे you have to ask in this manner. Whenever you want to offer anything in the sense help या फिर food या drink, जो भी है, when you want to offer, can, may, these are obligatory words you should use. May I help you to carry this bag? May I carry the bag for you? Shall I post the letter? Would you like me to post the letter? Offering food or drink. Would you like to have a cup of coffee? Would you like to share chocolate with me? Would you like to have some more rice? That is, have some more rice is informal. Would you like to have some more rice is again formal. Can I please help you with rice? Like that also you can use. When you want to accept the offer, somebody is offering you, and when you want to accept the offer, you have to say yes please, thank you, like that. Okay. Refusing an offer of help. No, please don't bother. No, I can manage, thank you. No के बाद thank you भी बोलना. No, thank you for your offer, but I am not in need of that now. Like that. Please don't bother means please don't take pains. for me. Okay. Refusing an offer of food or drink. No, thank you. You should say no, thank you. Now, coming to page number 130. Requests. How to make a request. Will, can, are the two words that you can use for request. Will. Will is future tense. Will ka past tense would. Can ka past tense could. Will, can you lend me rupees 50 please? Would, could you lend me rupees 50 please? More polite than the above one. Would you lend me rupees 50 please? That will be more polite than will you lend me. The will always, it doesn't sound much polite. Would always, it sounds polite. So it depends on how you use the words. Would you mind closing the window? Much more polite than would you close the window. Would you mind closing the window? आपको तकलीफ तो नहीं होगी ना विंडो क्लोज करेंगे तो. इन दैट सेंस इट इज. ओके, अंडरस्टूड. विल से वुड पोलाइट है, कैन से कुड पोलाइट है, तो वुड यूज करिएगा आपकी लैंग्वेज में. इज इट ओके? एग्रीइंग टू ए रिक्वेस्ट. यस ऑफ कोर्स. यस सर्टनली श्योर. ऑल राइट. ओके, नेवर माइंड. लाइक दैट आप यूज कर सकते हैं. ओके, नेवर माइंड यू कैन यूज. Refusing a request. I'm sorry, I can't. I'm afraid I'm not able to do that. Reason you can give. Because I'm not feeling well. Because I don't have, like that. Suggestions. Suggestions are also given. Like some may like, some may not like. So suggestions are given. Then afterwards it is decided whether to agree with the suggestion or not. Shall we take the night train? Let's take the night train. What about going for a picnic? It's for a change. I'm thinking of picnic. What do you have to say? Like that. What about going for a picnic? Why don't we wait a couple of minutes? Why not we wait a couple of minutes? Would you mind waiting couple of minutes? Like that. Okay. Agreeing with a suggestion. Fine. Okay. Good idea. Yeah, let's do that. Yes, why not? Like that you have to, when you agree, you have to answer for it. Now, sometimes we have to take the permission also. So for permission, you can sit here. Can I use your phone? So what you have to say? Certainly. Of course you can. Could I use your phone? Could is more polite than can. The reply would be yes, of course you can. Don't say dash you could. Don't say dash you could. Yes, you can. May I use your phone? May is the most formal way than can. Can I borrow this book, please? I'm sorry, I'm reading it myself. Saying sorry. I'm sorry, I forgot to post the letter. I'm very sorry for coming late. I beg your pardon. Oh, sorry used when you accidentally touch or push someone. When you tread on someone's toes. Accepting an apology. Oh, that's all right. Okay, never mind. Please don't worry. Like that. Okay. Then it doesn't matter. Accepting an apology, many words are there. That's all right. That's okay. Never mind. Please don't worry. It doesn't matter. It's okay. Like that. Now, coming to exercise. What would you use in this situation? You are on the phone. You want to say who you are. So, I'm this. I'm Krishnan. I'm this. I'm that. Like that. You are at lunch. You want to ask somebody to pass the salt. Would you mind passing the salt, please? You want to use your friend's umbrella for a few minutes. You need his permission. Okay. May I use your umbrella? Could I use your umbrella? Could I take your umbrella? May I take your umbrella? Like that. So, third question, you want to use your friend's umbrella, that's okay. You are in a strange town. You want to ask stranger to show the way to the post office. So what you will say? What you will say to him? I am sorry to trouble you, but can you please show me the way to the post office? Could you please help me by showing the way to the post office? Would you mind showing me the way to post office? There are many ways. You can ask in any way you want. But polite words should be used, that you should bear in mind always. You are in class. You have to go to the toilet. You need your teacher's permission. Please, may I go to toilet? Like that. Somebody says, can I use your pen? You permit him. Yes, of course you can. Like that. You are at the bus stop. A bus has come. You want to ask a stranger whether the bus goes to the zoo. Excuse me, can you please tell me whether this bus goes to the zoo or not? Like that. You are late for school. You want to say sorry for your teacher. Sorry, ma'am, I'm late. I would be on right time from tomorrow. I'd be more punctual tomorrow. Like that. Sorry, ma'am, I'm late for today. You have stepped on somebody's foot by accident. So, what you will say at that time? Stepped on somebody's toes. Oh, ouch, very sorry. I beg your pardon. I beg your pardon means I am really sorry for you. Your host offers you some rice at a dinner. You refuse the offer. No thanks, that will do. Means the rice which you have offered earlier will do. Like that. No thanks, that will do. Okay. A scooter rider says, can I give you a lift? You accept his offer. Yes, thanks for the same. That will make me reach earlier. Old woman is carrying a suitcase. You offer to help her. May I please carry your suitcase? Can I help you with carrying the suitcase? Like that. Next, you want to ask your class. Somebody says, would you mind opening the windows? You are willing to open it. No, I'll open for it. Open for you. Would you mind का आंसर नो होना चाहिए. No, it's my pleasure. Like that also you can say. It's my pleasure. You want to ask your classmate to lend you his ruler. Can you please lend me your ruler to me? You have a newspaper with you. Somebody says, can I read it? You are willing. Yes, of course, you can. You and your friends are free. You want to suggest going to the cinema. How about cinema? How about going to cinema? You can suggest like that. Can we go to cinema today? Like that also you can tell. You want to offer a cup of tea to a friend. Can you share a cup of tea with me? Please, would you mind sharing a cup of tea with me? Like that. Somebody says, could you post these letters? You agree to his request. Yes, of course, it's my pleasure. A friend says, shall we go to the beach? You agree. Oh, of course, yes. You are on the phone, you want to speak to David and are not sure whether the person is the one who want to speak to you. You should say, hello. May I please speak to David? May I please speak to David? Then he will confirm whether he is David or he will let you know that who he is speaking. Okay. So please do it and Pay attention that how you should use your communication skill politely. Always polite words are magical words. They will create magic. किसी को मन भी नहीं रहा तो आप पोलाइटली अगर पूछेंगे तो वो आपको कुछ भी दे देगा. ओके ओके. टिल देन हैव अ गुड डे.